a magical night tonight. Hopefully Joe Vulpes and David use this opportunity to come out of the closet. We all know you guys are gay. There's nothing wrong with it. There's no way Madison beer is not your type, David.
Dobrik, the famous TikToker, is here tonight. Just kidding, I love watching David's TikToks. I know 80% of the creator fund goes to Natalie's pantry. David, what's it like having an assistant who's constantly covered in crumbs? David, you haven't posted a vlog in months. Good job giving Alex Warren your career. Career away. He traded 6 billion views on YouTube to 16,000 on Discovery. Hey man, I'm like 70 and I don't even watch cable. But I digress. As I look at David, you know, I'm reminded of the person who blew up all our channels, Liza Koshy.
David Dobrik is here. David's actually a huge gift giver. He gave Heath a Lamborghini and Zayn alcoholism. No, but seriously, David, he's a gamer now, he streams. And that's in favor for me, because he can't hear me Natalie in the other room. David, you're on your way to rock bottom. When you get there, ask Scott how he's doing. Maybe he can give you a ride back up. Or if you're lucky, Susie can give you a lift. Speaking of people who weren't invited, Ella and Taylor are here. But that's okay. David can't go anywhere without his breast milk. David, which one does the breast milk? Jason wants to know. Ella, don't get too comfortable. I heard the Tesla is low on battery. Oh man, David hired Ella because she's a Liza lookalike. And he hired Taylor because he loves to surround himself with morons. I love you, Taylor. Ella keeps talking about how she has all these nudes. You get it. No one will f*** you, Ella.
David Dobrik is here tonight. He's one of the first women I met in LA. Lesbian David. It's so nice not hearing David talk. Like, I have the microphone, I can say whatever I want tonight. You know, TikTok would have 3 assistants.